All right, good morning, everybody. It is Monday, March 4th, and we made it to, we never saw any good campsites between 25 and 26, and we saw a few places, but I knew there was one listed in the guidebook at 26, but we got there and there was a giant tree hanging over, so we're only about 1/10 of a mile or so past that, and we found this clearing kind of on this old Jeep road. So we set up, and we were really exhausted, so we pretty much just passed out for the night. I didn't make another video or anything, but you can see it's a long open clearing. A lot different last night. Hardly heard any noises compared to the first night. Keep hearing a lot of woodpeckers. Heard a few owls. That's about it. But anyway, getting everything together here, and just got to take the tent down, and it's about 7 o'clock, a little before 7, and we have just under 9 miles to get to the car. So we're going to go ahead and tear down and have a little breakfast and head that way. So we'll check in with you in a little bit. Alright guys, just a quick check-in. We just broke camp and we're a little ways down the trail, and it is about 7:20. Got about 9 miles, so we'll see how we do. Don't really know what's coming up today. I know we crossed that spillway that is in, it's like in a neighborhood area, and we do a couple road walks, so this might not be the most exciting day on the trail, but at least it's a day on the trail, so we'll check in with you later. Thanks for listening. And the fun begins. Alright guys, thought I'd try something new here. Maybe do a split screen where you could see me talking, but you can also see where I'm going. See how this turns out. Right now we came out onto this road, and the sign says 2.5-mile road walk till we get back to the trail, but if it looks like this, it's going to be pretty awesome. So not bad at all. At least it's not a paved, busy road. And we saw another dog back there. Had to kind of run him off. I don't know where he came from, but I don't see him anymore. Anyway, we're going to keep heading down this way. We've hardly gone, probably not even half a mile down this road, so we'll probably have about another 2 miles, and I think there's a couple turns. There's a cemetery up here that we have to turn off near, but we're going to keep heading that way, about 9 miles. Like I've said before, we're parked over at I-45 at the Huntsville trailhead, and that is 35 miles from where we started. So did about 11 on the first day and about 16 or 17 yesterday, and so we're gonna knock it out today. And next weekend is supposed to be real bad weather. I'll be out of town, so we're gonna come back the following weekend, skip a weekend, and then come back and try to finish it up on the last couple days. Should be, after that it's going to be too hot. It's already pretty warm out here, so anyway, we'll check in with you later. Just wanted to try this split screen, and we'll check in with you later. Thanks for listening. Alright guys, just finished our road walk, and we're about to Go back into the woods, and as you can see, 6.4 miles, and we'll have completed this journey. Always a little exciting, but always a little bittersweet. Anyway, we're gonna find, there's supposed to be a pond back in here, about a half mile. We'll see you over there. All right, guys, here is the pond, and this is listed as a water source, believe it or not. Yummy. I just took my trekking pole and kind of stirred up the water to get all that gunk away, but I didn't even get a full liter. We have 6 miles, so I'll live. Anyway, this is one of the reasons you would need a water filter if you're out doing multiple day hiking. Sometimes the water just looks like this. And we just saw one of those red cockaded woodpeckers. They're supposed to be endangered, and I was sitting here brushing my teeth, and one was right behind us pecking on a tree. I wasn't able to get it on film, but really excited to see it. Anyway, we're gonna keep moving. We'll talk to you later. Hey guys, just a quick check-in. We're coming up to about mile 31, I believe. And at mile 32, we're going to go across that Camilla Reservoir. And it is kind of in a neighborhood. Not supposed to take any water out of there or anything. But the trail goes right across the spillway, so that should be interesting. And just a quick check-in to show you a little bit of the trail. Also, a lot of trees blown down again in this section. Already have my feet are pretty wet, pretty muddy again. But that's been about every day so far. So this is just a muddy area, and I don't know what kind of storm came through here, but just lots of trees down everywhere. So we're probably 4 miles from the car, and looking forward to getting some ice cold drinks, maybe a hamburger or something. But anyway, testing out this split screen again. You can see what I'm walking over while I'm talking to you. Hopefully this will work out. It'll be kind of cool. Anyway, we will see you over at the reservoir. Thanks for watching. Jackie. Jackie, no. Jax. Well, he did have his head sticking out till Jackie walked up there. Stop. Hey guys, we are probably 2 miles or less from the car. Just doing a quick check-in here. We went across the reservoir and everything back there. It was pretty cool. Just filming here because this is the swampiest looking area that we have gone through. I don't know if you can see back there, but there's tons of just muddy water. Looks like it'd be a good place to see an alligator, which would be awesome, as long as he's not real close. But we've seen a few things today, turtle, stuff like that. Nothing super exciting other than the woodpecker that I saw. But we're heading that way. I think it's about 11 o'clock. Deer tracks all back here. So we probably only have about another hour. We'll be back at the car. So we'll check in with you one more time before we get there, and that'll be the end of this segment. We did almost 4 sections of the trail on this trip, and I'll go over that later. But anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for listening, and we'll check in with you one more time before we head out. Take care. Alright guys, this is going to be our final check-in for this trip. We're really close to the interstate. I can hear trucks and cars going by, so we should be coming out any second here. So just wanted to say thanks for coming on the journey with us, and we'll be back here May 16th, 17th, 18th to do another 30 or so miles, and then we'll finish it out at the end of the month. Have less than 30 on that last leg, and gonna try to do the next 2 sections in 2 days. We'll see how that works out. I'm gonna have to park my car next time and hitchhike back, so I'm gonna give myself a day to hitchhike back just in case things go poorly. But as usual, really appreciate everybody checking out the videos, subscribing, and Lone Star Hiking Trail. We'll see you back here in 2 weeks. You guys take care, and thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and thanks to everybody who's subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Alright guys, this is really the last check-in. We're right here about to come out of the woods, so I just figured I'd show you real quick where it comes out on I-45, just north of Huntsville State Park on the service road. I'm sure you can hear the traffic. We're just about there. I mean, it's probably around the next corner or so. Anyway, the end to a fabulous hike. Really enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed it as well. And I think this is it right around this corner. Yep, I can see the car. We will live to hike another day. Alright guys, this is it. It seems so loud out here. Alright, we made it. 35 miles down. Car's still here. Trail goes back that way. Alright, thanks again for watching and listening. Really appreciate it. And hopefully we'll see you somewhere on the trail. Take care.